Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back with another video today, man. It's been a while since I did a car review, so y'all know I had to do a car review. It's been a while. Hey, I'm bringing y'all something different. Fully loaded, got every feature you can ask for in it, everything. So what I got for y'all today, a 2018 Grand Cherokee Summit. Now the Summit is the top of the line pretty much for Grand Cherokee. Besides the performance Jeep, obviously the SRT in the track haul, but just for the V6 models, the Summit is the top model you can get, top model. So now what comes with the Summit, as you can see, obviously just right from the get-go, you got all the chrome pieces, so all the fancy, I would say more classy, because you got the chrome wheels here. You got the chrome bar down on the bottom near the foot. You got the chrome handles. You got the chrome mirrors on the back. The grille is also chrome. Not a big fan of chrome. Everybody know, if y'all watch my videos, I don't care too much for chrome, but I have to admit, on this Summit Edition, it actually looks good just because the wheels flow right with it. The mirrors flow with it. The door handles flow with it, and that little chrome bar on the bottom that flows well with it as well. Now, with the Summit, and I don't know if this goes for any other Jeep, but the Summit comes with air suspension. This is the, this isn't the stock height. This is all the way lifted up. This is the highest you can get it. We're gonna start with these wheels, man. The wheels, we got 20-inch chrome wheels, man. These are nice. I like them, right around the 265/50 tire. Then we get to the side, we got that nice Grand Cherokee bezel across the side, letting you know what it is, just so you don't forget it, letting everybody know what you're driving. And then we got the chrome door handles here, like I mentioned in the beginning, chrome mirrors, and then you got the LED turn signal. Now this is the keyless entry. The key is in the car. So let me just demonstrate that for y'all real quick. So this is the key fob, same key fob from Chrysler, FCA, same key fob. It just says Jeep on the back. Got unlock, lock. You got the trunk button, double tap, and then remote start. Can't forget the remote start, man. Gotta have that for them New York winters. But anyway, lock the door just by clicking a button, and to unlock, got the key fob here. As y'all can see, I'm not gonna use the key fob. I'm just gonna put my hands right in the door. Door unlocked. Now you can open it. Simple as that. That's how keyless entry work. Pretty much on anything 2015 and up should have keyless entry on it. Now let's get to this. The price, the sticker price we got on it now is $53,995 as a base price. $53,995. Now you got all the extra features. This has Apple CarPlay. Basically every driving package you could want is on there. And then the interior, the dark brown black interior color. So we're gonna get to that in a second. So total cost $56,580. That's $60,000. Now, mind you, the SRT I believe is like 60, 65, 70-ish. So for the Summit, you're almost getting the SRT Grand Cherokee. So keep that in mind. I don't know if too many people care too much for performance, but keep that in mind. It's a $60,000 truck, and I think the SRTs are just a little like 70, 75-ish. But head to the back. Again, all that chrome. We got the chrome everywhere, man. The chrome bar here, the chrome 4x4, the Summit badge. Look at that. That Summit badge is nice. I like that with the mountains on it. Now, again, this comes with the blind spot detection and all that good stuff. The sensors are on the back. I like the exhaust tips. Exhaust tips look good. Then they got this kind of glossy little finish down here. I don't know if it's gray or if it's like a metallic, but that's nice too. All right, and then we got the backup camera here too. So most cars come standard with backup cameras now as well. And just to open the trunk, just click the button and it'll open right up. Now standard again across is brand new. So here go the mats. The mats are still in the bag. We got a spare tire down here with the jack. So we got down there. Boom, hit the button. Oh, maybe I didn't hit it right. Hit the button. There you go. Go down like so. Bam, we out. We gonna jump in real quick. Before we jump in, we gotta show y'all the hood. Get that bad boy open. Uh-oh. What we got going on? Oh, right there, boom, easy. Now the Summit comes equipped with the V6. It's 295 horsepower. And just a few things for those people who don't know anything that's going on underneath the motor or the components and features and stuff of the engine. This is the coolant, this is the battery, this is what you call a ECU, it's basically the computer. This is the brains of the car. So if you don't have this, nothing else will work. And this is the filter. This is what brings in air, helps the motor breathe, gets clean air. And then this is where your windshield washer fluid goes. We got, and this is where you check your oil levels back here. And that's pretty much it for everything else you need to know. Just for basic knowledge of what's going on underneath the hood. Everything else is a little bit more explaining, but that's all we get for that. We're gonna close that, boom, like so. Now the lights might be flashing in the video just because of the frames, but look at that, man. I love those lights, man. They look so good. I want to see what these little bottom lights look like, so let me turn on the bottom lights really quick. Wow, look, when the car is on, they look even brighter. Look at that, man. That is nice. See, now they're not flickering with the car on. Look at those bottom lights. Those are nice, man. They did a good job with those. I like those. Those are way better than the old ones. Jeez, clean. All right, so we all done with the outside. Let's check this inside out real quick. My favorite part of this truck, man. Look at this interior. Oh my God, all soft leathers, real nice. I don't even know what color this is, like a mocha brown. It's so nice though, I love it. It's got heated and cool seats. But again, let's start with this door. So a nice little trim piece right here, a little black, and it has little ridges in it for a nice little trim addition. This is pretty much standard on Jeeps. You'll see these a lot. This trim piece right here is pretty much standard on Jeeps. You'll see it and throughout all the Jeep models. But you know, soft leathers, you got your hard plastics down here, you got some cup holders down here, some storage in there. And this comes equipped with the Harman Kardon system. Harman Kardon sounds crazy, so crispy, so clear. Harman Kardon isn't known more for like bass, but it just sounds super clear. Like, so when you turn it all the way up, it's like really loud, but it's still super clear. And then you get right before you hop in, you get this nice Summit that lights up. So at night you'll probably be able to see this better. It just lights up Summit right there. And then if you haven't seen any other Jeeps, pretty much the standard features from here. We got, I'm sorry, I gotta turn this on. It's hot in here. So everything else pretty much is standard for the Jeep throughout all the models. Suede panels up here, and then also the whole roof liner is suede as well, which I've never seen pretty much besides the SRT models. So you can almost get, minus the motor, man, you can get some features from the SRT models, which is nice. Again, you got this nice brown leather up here, real soft, real smooth. We got that trim piece again from the same door going all the way across, as well as the black one that goes across. And again, like I mentioned, the Summit is all about chrome. So look at this chrome piece here. You got more chrome underneath the black trim as well. And for the, and it goes all the way across to the other side of the door. I just love this, man. This is a nice car. Like, again, I don't really care too much for SUVs, trucks, but this is nice. It's comfortable. It's got the V6, so it's got enough speed for me. It's just all around just pretty much perfect. The steering wheel is really comfortable. I like how they took out the leather part for the top and they put this really nice little gloss finish up here. And this is like really like, so you can get a nice grip. It's real sturdy and grippy up here, so I like that. Even though it looks like it's like real glossy and slippery, but it's got some good grip to it. So, and what I love about any new car or any car in general, I love the digital display, man. I love it. I like how they separate the analogs on the side, which is still outdated, which is cool though. I don't mind it too much, long as it's like, you know, it's out of the way. You don't pay too much attention to the corners. You usually look in the center when you're looking at something. So the fact that they put that nice digital display right there in the center is cool. And then they have pretty much everything else you can use to get to the car: the tire pressure, the speed. You can check your text messages from here, your music. Now this is one thing I don't like. This is that auto stop thing feature. I don't like that. If you just watch my Durango video, the Durango shut down on me at the stop sign, and I felt like I felt like I was back in the days, man, when my car used to break down on me, man. I was kind of scared, but I don't like that feature, man. It just reminds me of when you used to struggle. I don't like that when it shut down. Like, I understand companies are trying to save gas and all of that good stuff, but man, I leave that feature off. I don't care too much for that. You ain't burning too much gas sitting at the light for like 2-3 seconds, so that's okay with me. But anyway, to this Uconnect system right here we got going on. Everybody knows Chrysler, FCA, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Fiat, we all have the same Uconnect system, which is pretty much the best system you can get right now in a vehicle. I know that Uconnect has been rated one of the best infotainment systems, so this is straightforward, real simple radio information. You want to get to your media stuff, plug in your iPhone, iPad, anything like that. Climate control is real easy. One click of a button, everything is set up in one screen. All your apps, boom, right there, come right up. So if you want to get the ventilated seats, all of that stuff is in there as well. If you want to go to controls and just get your control seats for your just the controls for your seats, boom, just hit controls. Heated and vented is also in there for both sides. Even the backup camera will come up as a picture for you right there. You also got your navigation. This comes with the navigation. Comes with the full map. You can set your home so that every time you leave work, you don't know how to get back, or wherever you are, you don't gotta get back home. Just hit home and it displays where you live. So this is nice. And this is, I'm gonna be honest, I have a 2015 Chrysler 200 for those who don't know. And this is far more updated than the one in my 200. The one in my 200 is really slow. When you hit buttons, it's not like super slow, but when you hit the buttons, it takes a while to load up to the next page. But look at this is super smooth. Look how fast it's going to the next setting. Apps takes a little longer because there's more stuff going on in there. But look how fast you can swipe. Look at that. Look how fast it goes back and forth. Now, I wish FCA would allow the update through all their vehicles, but they don't. So, you gotta be satisfied with what you got. So, but this is really smooth. I like this. The screen looks a little bit more crispier too, and the colors are also different. In Chrysler, the colors are blue with a black background. This is a black background with like an orangish color, so almost as close as the color of the interior, which is nice. But you got, now this comes with all driving features, all the safety features, the park assist, all that good stuff. So here are all the buttons you need for your parking assist and whatnot. This also has a sport button and your traction control. This is that auto off button I was talking about. Leave that off. Trust me. If you come from them days where your car used to, you had to worry about stopping because your car was gonna break down on you, do not turn that on, man. It'll just remind you. But we got some storage space down here. We got 2 USBs and 1 aux cord, and then you got a cigarette lighter in there, just an extra for charging some space, charging your phone. And then you got the cup holders, which light up during the night. The cup holders light up with a nice little, I think, blue color in the inside of the trim. All your drive modes, all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive low. You got snow, sand, auto, mud, and rock. Now, let me show y'all the nice suspension setup that this has. You put it in neutral. If you have a problem with the way it looks with the wheel gap, you can lower it. Look how nice that is. Look at that. I love it. I love this truck, man. That wheel gap's like perfect right there. Love this. Love it, love it, love it. I never knew the Summit was such a nice addition to the Jeeps. Such a nice addition. I'm not gonna get in the back just because it's pretty roomy. It's the same thing. I don't want to rip none of the plastics off because this is brand new. But look at that view, man. Look at that panoramic roof. Gotta love the view. Gotta open it, man, just to get some more light in here. And as well, one thing I did forget is the front windows are not tinted. It comes standard. The rear windows and third row windows are tinted. But we gonna go on this quick drive real quick. Just head back to the dealership. Just to give y'all a quick review of how it drives. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot, you got some storage space in there. You pop that down and open up the first one, got more storage space in there. Glove box, you know, same size as usual, pretty much. That's all you get in there. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, man. Stay tuned for more videos, because I will be doing more videos now that I got my schedule down pat with my job, so I have more time to do stuff. Now, this is in the low mode right now, and it's super comfortable. And like I said, it's a V6, so it's got some power. Man, I love this truck, yo. I would definitely buy one of these if I was in the market for a Jeep. And like I said, this is the Summit. This is the fully loaded, fully loaded. Pretty much got everything you need. When I look for cars, I really only look for speed and just the interior, a real nice interior design, plus audio. Gotta have audio, gotta have power, and it gotta look nice inside. Other than that, obviously the body, but for features, it's gotta have audio and it's gotta have nice leathers. And this is well over what I need. It's got nice leathers. The audio it comes with Harman Kardon is more than enough, I promise you. And if you're one of those bass heads, throw a little 12 in the back, man. Get you some bass, and that's all you need, I promise you. This thing sounds amazing. And it's so, yo, I never drove a truck that's so smooth and easy to turn. Like, it's so smooth. You barely have to make effort to make a turn. I'm gonna park this bad boy. We back at the dealership, y'all. But shout out to my guy Shane, man. Shane from Marina Dodge, Webster, New York. If y'all ever looking for a vehicle, man, just hit him up. I'm gonna put his phone number and the dealership phone number in the link. All you gotta do is call them, hit them up, let them know. They got thousands of cars, man, thousands. And Chrysler Dodge Jeep isn't the only dealership they own. They have Mitsubishi. They got they got another used car dealership down the street. So close that like that. But that's it, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate you for watching. This is the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Edition, baby. So hope y'all like it. Look at this interior. Just imagine how you would just be sitting, you know, looking at the light. Somebody looking at you, just looking at your interior, like, oh man. Like, if I pull up to a truck like this, I'm gonna be like, yo, that truck fire, yo. The inside of that super clean. So just the interior alone, man, I'm sold on. Like, I don't care about the wheels, the rims, all that. The interior by itself, man. Maybe it's because look at that, man. Look at that. That mocha. That's all it is, man. Listen. Just gotta love it, baby. Look at that color, man. It just look good. So hope y'all like this video, man. Again, make sure y'all subscribe, stay tuned, like the video. Appreciate y'all, man. I'm out. Peace.